Doctors on contract in the public sector are set to receive retroactive payments and salary increases. President of the Jamaica Medical Doctors Association, Dr. Mindy Fitzhendy, gave the update to our news center following recent meetings with officials from the Health and Finance Ministries.
What has essentially happened is that their offer had still stood in terms of only being able to offer retroactive monies to the persons who are in a established post. And that's only 29% of our members. So 71% are in contracts of no fault of their own. They've just never been able to offer them a post despite them all wanting one. And so, as you can imagine, this would disenfranchise the vast majority. That's not something that we're able to accept. However, in this last meeting, they were able to admit that there has to be some sort of an increase for this group of doctors. And so we're awaiting their official offer, which we should have for this upcoming week, in terms of what that offer would be to that specific group of doctors, because it cannot be that other doctors are getting an increase and not all. And so we're waiting to see what that offer is, to see if it would be something that is at least comparable to the other group. And that is a huge sticking point for us. So until we have that, we're unable to really move forward.
Last week, the finance minister indicated that contract workers in the public sector will be offered permanent positions. That promise came amidst concerns about the treatment of those workers under the new compensation regime. Dr. Fitzhendy adds that doctors are frustrated with the long drawn-out wage negotiations.
But as you can imagine, our doctors are very upset, very restive. It's been a long few years, especially with COVID and, us doing all that we can, proving our worth, proving the fact that we're valuable members of the healthcare team. And so, for us to be arguing repeatedly over something as important as being treated equally with our own group is something that's very upsetting. And so we're hoping that with this new offer that we can try and move forward very quickly. We see that other unions are also having significant issues. So we want to get this through as quickly as possible.